ready to be attacked. Have you ever had a near perfect Uber rating score and wondered, why? Why is it that I feel like I've had really good experiences riding over the past maybe 6 or 7 years, but I'm still stuck at that 4.97 rating? It's been bugging me for years. It seems my prayers have been answered because Uber has just released an update where you can individually see all of the individual ratings you've gotten over the past 500 rides. The new setting is buried in the app and lets you see the past 500 rides. I think I only have like 120, 130, so not as much as 500, but you can still see a breakdown of every 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 star ratings you've ever gotten. So this feature is buried in the Uber app, and even with instructions, it took me a hot minute to find it, so I'm gonna help you and let's do it together. Here's how it works. Get ready to feel attacked. Open the app. Tap on your profile image, then you're going to scroll to settings. Once you get to settings, scroll down to privacy. Then hit privacy center. This is where it starts to get tricky. Then you swipe to the left under the data and privacy at Uber section. Scroll and then you'll see the would you like to see a summary of how you use Uber? Hit that. Tap see summary and then scroll down to the ratings section. Hit view my ratings and then you're there. Get ready to be attacked. You can see a full breakdown of your 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 scores. So, luckily I didn't have any 1-star ratings, but those 3, 4 stars are going to haunt me for the rest of my days, so looking forward to that. In a blog post, Uber recommended 5 different ways that you can become a better driver. These include many of the reasons why some drivers get docked a few points. Take any trash with you, wear your seatbelt, be on time, treat your drivers with respect, and don't slam car doors. And over the next few years, I'm sure I'll be wondering, why did those 3 drivers give me 4 stars? What did I do? Please tell me. What did I do? And I'm sorry. But I shouldn't take it personally. A 4-star rating is not bad, so it's fine. I'll get over it eventually. I hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video explaining it. You know, technology is always changing and evolving, and whenever a new update comes out, it's nice to just see a little run through of how things work. So I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, I hope you subscribe or give it a thumbs up. I hope to do a little more videos like this that have just random advice or things you never knew you needed. So thanks again for watching.